Whether your child lost a sock in the hallway or you lost your bracelet down an elevator shaft, I'm here today to share with you my tips and tricks for finding lost items during your cruise. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you the story of how I got my bracelet back after losing it down the elevator shaft. Because that was me. Yeah, me. As soon as you notice that you've lost an item, go back to where you think you lost it. Retrace your steps and see if it's there. I've had lots of luck just finding things along the way as I'm walking back to where I was. If I was at a venue, I would then go and ask the staff at that venue. For instance, if I think I lost it at the theater, I would ask the staff right away who worked in the theater. If you were in a lounge, go ask the bartenders, or if you're in the dining room, ask the wait staff, because sometimes they will have picked it up and set it aside for you, especially if they knew that you were the one at that place. For instance, my dad lost his hat one night in the dining room. Our wait staff actually had it because they knew he was the one that lost it. If it's been a few days or even you go back and no one seems to know where it is, go down to guest services. This is where we've recovered a lot of lost items. My daughter loses a lot of things, shoes, socks, anything she can possibly lose, she's lost it. And usually guest services has it, especially if it's been like the next day or a few hours and you've retraced your steps and it's not there anymore. Usually you can find it at guest services because a crew member, staff member has found it and brought it to guest services for you. If they don't have it that day, go back the next day or a few hours later, keep checking back there because hopefully at some point staff will bring it to there. There has been times though, unfortunately, that we have lost things, including one of my daughter's sensory toys, and we never recovered it. It's a write-off. We lose things all the time. Unfortunately, even on a cruise ship, things get lost, never to be found again. My bracelet though, here's the story with that. I was holding an elevator open with my arm to let someone on. My medical alert bracelet fell down the elevator shaft and I was really concerned. It was a medical alert bracelet. It wasn't just like a piece of jewelry. So it was actually quite simple to recover this item. I went to guest services. I said, hey, just an FYI, I lost my bracelet down the elevator shaft. It's kind of important because it's related to medical stuff. Is there any way we can recover it? They said, let us investigate. Let us see if we can find it. And lo and behold, not that long later, like a couple hours, got a phone call to my stateroom saying, we got it, come pick it up. Just had to go back to guest services and there it was. All is not lost if you lose something on a cruise ship. So retrace your steps, check with staff at the venue, and if all else fails, check with the guest services and hopefully they have your item there. If you found this video helpful, go check out this video right here because I think you'll like it too.